Dear friends, today I am here with the new topics and solution for the asked queries and the question via mail messages. I have easy method of solution for your questions. You should know which is the best suitable field for you. There is no high or low branch. In every field one can get best job and can earn. SWOT analysis, this is a strategic planning technique used to help a person or organization identify the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and the threats related basically for planning. It is intended to specify the objectives and identify the internal and external factors that are favorable and unfavorable to achieving those objectives. This is internal factor but most important for the analysis. In this SWOT analysis, S stands for strength. Strengths deal with the positive points within an individual. This is we call as the point where individual can work with ease and with the interest. This can be called as the interesting point of an individual. Here one has to jot down the points which he like and can do in easy manner, or the subject she like to study and have keen interest in the subject. For example, maths, engineering, drawing, photography. In the word SWOT, second word stand with the weaknesses. Weaknesses is the kind of the negative point which an individual have. This is we call as the point where individual can work but without interest. This can be called as a negative fact or disliking part of the individual. Here, subject come which he doesn't like or feel hard to work and need to work on it. For example, math, science. The second part for this SWOT analysis is the external factors stemming from community or societal forces. The third word in this SWOT analysis is the opportunities. Opportunity is an external factor which influences on individual or the organization development. This is the subject where individual can work, where he can get opportunity apart from the positive points. Here the points which he can do apart from the strength where he has the interest but on the second level. Like take an example, if one has a keen interest in acting but if got opportunity can go for the photography or modeling. The fourth word in the word SWOT is the threats. This is a kind of a negative point which an individual or the organizations have. One has to take care of on this part. For example, child don't have interest in a particular subject, say A, but still opt for that subject. This is a threat for that student because after a while, this may lead to the depression if properly not handled or not scored marks as per the expectations. Until and unless one has the knowledge, interest and liking for the subject, don't opt for that particular subject. After all, it's you who has to stand, not the others. This SWOT analysis is for them who are confused in choosing the field for the further studies. In considering this SWOT analysis, one has to consider the strength point of this video. Whatever you have written, whatever the subjects you have written in this SWOT analysis, in this strength, you have to opt for those subjects only because those subjects you are dealing with easily. My next video will show different fields available for different courses that are after 10, 12, graduation and master. Please do like this channel, share and subscribe it, which can help the needy to take proper decision. If you have any query or questions, feel free to ask like you did. Thank you.